Making rissoles at home is much easier than you might think, and I'll prove it to you. I'm going to add a pot of water, milk, chicken stock, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, and a tablespoon of butter. Now turn on the heat and stir. When it comes to the boil, add the wheat flour, which is equal to 2 cups of flour, and we'll stir like this until the flour thickens in the broth. Once it has, we'll take it to the table and stir the dough. It's a bit warm, but here I'm wearing a glove. If you want, you can knead it with a dough opener. Here in this bowl, I'm going to put 200 grams of mozzarella, 200 grams of ham, cut up, oregano, and let's stir. This filling is very simple. You've mixed it, it's ready. Now to make the rissoles, take a piece of dough and open it like this. If you don't have a dough opener, you can also use a glass to open the dough, which is super easy. Now let's fill it. And cut it out. But if you don't have this utensil, you can cut with a bowl. Now on to the next step. Here in this bowl, add an egg, half a cup of milk, and then whisk. I'm going to dip the rissoles in this mixture and then roll them in breadcrumbs. Once you've done this with all the rissoles, just fry them. Let them fry until they are golden brown. Look how delicious they are. These rissoles were amazing. There was nothing left over here at home. Make them at home because everyone is sure to love them. What an incredible and delicious recipe. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.